Are you scared of clicking that update button in WordPress? You're not alone. We've all heard the horror stories. Updates that break websites, crash plugins, or ruin layouts. But updates are important for security and performance. So how can you keep your site safe when updating? In this video, we'll share 3 simple tips to update your WordPress without the stress. Always backup your site first. Before you hit update, make a full backup of your website, files and database. This way, if something goes wrong, you can restore everything in minutes. Tip 2. Update plugins and themes before WordPress itself. Updating your plugins and themes first helps avoid compatibility issues with the new WordPress version. Developers often release updates to make sure their plugins work with the latest WordPress release. Use a staging site. A staging site is a copy of your website where you can safely test updates before going live. Many hosting providers offer this feature with just one click. So remember, backup, update plugins and themes first, and use a staging site. This way, your WordPress updates will be smooth and stress-free. Thanks for watching this video. For more tips on managing WordPress and booking systems like Amelia, make sure to follow our channel. See you next time!